Hello everyone, this is LA and this is today's short take. Over the years there have been stocks that have dominated. If you look back in the history of the market, stocks like the rails or even the automobiles in the 20s and IBM in the 60s and so forth. Small groups, sectors, sometimes individual stocks, but nothing like Apple. I mean, Apple is a mammoth company and it just continues to grow at 20-30% clip. It kind of ignores the whole law of large numbers. It just broke out again here, as you see. It was coming into this big volume bar. That's what's probably going to hold it today. It's got earnings after the bell. Apple, if it gets over this area, which it's primed to try and do, it's going to go for the high. And if it gets over the high, then you start looking at longer term charts and you start projecting and you say, well, where can this thing go? And if you do that, ABCD structures up are fairly large. Apple, largest weighting in every index now, save the Russell. If this one breaks out, it's going to be another leg up just like it was back here in January, February. So, Apple is kind of the stock of our time. It is an amazing feat for a stock to be this dominant. But it is, and if you look at it on a monthly, this large leg up looks as if you would think that's about done, but if you actually look at it closely, in other words, if you're looking from here to here, you're saying, hey, it's about the same distance, right? But if you look at it more closely and you look at the ABCD structure, that structure was here and it finished right about there, but it continued on and now it's set up a larger one from here, right, potentially on up higher. So I don't see anything here to tell us Apple's done. I know the expectations are very high already coming into the earnings report tonight, so it will be quite a feat if they knock it even over that fence. But if they do, they're going to go up here and test the highs and try to break out. If they don't, look out markets, because so much is dependent on what this stock does. That is today's short take.